What up, guys? Going on? Today is Sunday. We're gonna be finally doing the floor. We let the floor dry for 2 days just to make sure it was dry, because I thought the floor was wet right now, but it's not wet. It's just that the floor is discolored from me cleaning it and everything. And like where the concrete is like really good at right here is different. Yeah, so we waited. The floor is two different colors, so we thought the floor was still wet, but it's just the concrete. I already degreased a couple of times, did the etching and everything like that. So I didn't do it like the professional way, because I know so many people are gonna comment, yo, you didn't add concrete, you didn't fill in the cracks. And to be honest, I just want the garage to look a little bit better. I don't have the time to be filling in cracks and doing all this other stuff. So I'm gonna be doing it this way. Like I said, I know people that just cleaned the garage and did it with like cracks and stuff, and it still came out great, no problems at all. So for me to fill in these holes, I had to get like a whole, I had to get concrete brand new concrete laid down, straightened, grinded. It's gonna cost me like, I don't know, 5-6K, which like I don't want to spend that shit on this bullshit. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a tan color with brown, black, blue, gray, white flakes. So it's gonna look good. So right now we got everything out of the garage, and that looks dirty, but it's not dirty. It's completely clean. That's just the way the floor is. But so like where the holes for the floors at is that color. So the concrete is not fresh. It's not good. Like, so this concrete looks that color. It looks like it's dirty. It's completely clean, I promise. I degreased it. I've done everything to it already. Etched it, acid clean, did everything. Acid wash, all of that. But it's just that color because that's where the holes and the stuff went on the floor. But we're cleaning up the garage, dusting it out again, and yeah, we'll continue to we'll start doing it. I'm gonna show you guys right now what color we're doing. So that's the color we're doing right there. It's like a tan. And I bought some flakes and I mixed in the flakes. So should come out pretty dope. But yeah, I just mixed it, so I'm letting it sit. That says when you mix it, when it's like around 70 degrees, let it sit for about 10 minutes. So I'm letting it sit for 10 minutes. Then I'm just gonna start painting the edges, and then I'm literally just gonna attack the whole thing. Yeah, it should be a pretty simple process. So hopefully it comes out good. Like I said, I ain't do the crazy steps like everyone does. I did the cleaning, which is the prep part. I prepped it really good. So I'm just hoping that, you know, with the prepping that I did, it's good, because I degreased it like 2-3 times. I etched it, scrubbed it, used a Brillo brush, like everything you needed to do, I did. You can literally tell by the concrete that's like new that it's like, it's just that this concrete look like has been kind of like messed up. So that's why the color is like that. And then it wasn't like that until I etched it, so we'll see. Alright, yeah, so we just did the edges right here. I'm just, I went over the brick too. Might as well go over the brick. I'm not too sure how it's going to absorb it, because it looks like it's not absorbing at all. But it'll look definitely better than just having gray brick. So, yeah, now we're on the painting process. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint or my dad's going to paint, because one of us got to paint and one of us has to do the chips. So, I'm going to figure that out.
and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6'4". Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still that shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up. There you go.
Alright guys, so it's been 24 hours. We could get some light footsteps on it. Came out pretty good. Just the holes are still a little tiny bit wet, but they'll be good. So I'm gonna add the Rust-Oleum concrete garage top coat. It's a clear coat, so now when I put this on, I gotta wait 5 days and then we'll be able to bring the car and stuff in here. Alright, lay down the clear. I didn't lay too much down. I laid probably like 75%, half of the can that we had. But I laid down. Had a little accident there. The roll got, I guess it was a little bit of paint that was still wet there. When I passed the roll, it like picked it up. I didn't realize the paint was still wet there, but then I added some flakes to it. That's why it looks darker than what it is, because it's just because of the flakes. But the car's gonna be over that. That's the only mistake was right there. But yeah, she's drying up. For the first time doing this, it's not bad. Again, this wasn't gonna be 100% perfect. If I wanted perfect, I would have paid $5,000 to come get concrete pours, sanded. So I bought a fan. I'm gonna leave this dry for literally a week. Today's Monday. Probably gonna let it dry until like Sunday or something like that. Maybe bring the car back in, and then we'll see how it is. I want everything to dry up. Like I want the paint inside the cracks. Well, I want the paint inside like the holes and stuff to like, you know, fully dry. Most of them were fully dry. These were like all dry. It was just that spot back there where it was kind of wet. But besides that, can't really do much. But the spots where the concrete was like perfect came out great. Like, see, overall flakes and everything is even. It's good. Alright guys, I couldn't really vlog much, but I got the car back here. The floor came out great. Ran into one issue where the paint was still wet, like in little holes, so it was picking up when I was clearing it. So I couldn't put too much clear like where the hoses are, but I put a lot of clear like around here where the floor is good at. But came out great. Got the car back in here. The car looks amazing with this floor. So far, so good. Dude, like nothing, like golden. So yeah, just got the car back in. I'm gonna be working it. I have an issue with the car where I'm building up a lot of coolant here. So I'm gonna I took it out again. I want to see if the fluid keeps coming out. If it does keep coming out, then I think it's gonna be a radiator cap issue, because when I take it off, I hear the fluid go like it goes down. So I heard the radiator cap could be bad too, and this could be also an issue too, where my hose for this is like really kinked, and so it might be pushing out but not able to like come back in. I know it's not pushing coolant out of the engine, because it would have been like coming out a crazy amount like through the gasket, would have been pushing out through here, like that would have been boiling, which it doesn't, thank God. But yeah, so appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, I did it my way and the cracks are still here, and I will give you guys a review I guess in a few months, and you'll see how good it holds up. So I appreciate you guys watching. More content coming soon. Garage is coming nice. I got so much like car wash stuff down here, dude, can't wait. Got some new nozzles, everything. So appreciate you guys watching. Build to enjoy. Peace out, guys.